Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread kulfi at home. First, gather your ingredients: bread, milk, sugar, and a few flavorings. Toast 4 to 5 slices of bread until they are golden brown and crisp. This step is crucial for the kulfi's texture. Once cooled, blend the toasted bread into fine crumbs. This forms the base, giving our kulfi a unique and delightful consistency. Let's get cooking. Next, let's prepare the kulfi mixture. In a heavy-bottomed pan, boil 2 cups of full-fat milk with 1/4 cup of sugar. Stir until the milk reduces and thickens slightly. Now, gradually add the bread crumbs you prepared, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Mix in 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder and a handful of chopped nuts like pistachios or almonds for an authentic taste. Keep stirring until it forms a thick, creamy consistency. Once your kulfi mixture is ready, it's time to chill it to perfection. Pour the warm mixture into kulfi molds or small cups. Cover the molds with foil to prevent ice crystals. Place them in the freezer for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours, or preferably overnight, to set completely. Before serving, briefly dip the molds in warm water to easily unmold your delicious bread kulfi. Garnish with extra chopped nuts and enjoy. Here are a few extra tips for your bread kulfi. Feel free to adjust the amount of sugar and spices like saffron or rose water to suit your taste. You can also experiment with different types of nuts or dried fruits for added texture and flavor. Try adding some finely chopped dates or cashews. And speaking of enhancing your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with music and smart features. Enjoy your homemade kulfi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.